In this video, I will show you how to install apps from unknown sources on your own TV box. Now, over here, I have the ON TV 4K Google TV streaming device, but it doesn't matter the type of ON TV box you have. Whether you have the ON Android TV box or the ON Google TV box just like this one, by the end of this video, you should be able to install apps from unknown sources on any ON TV box you have. Now, to do this, first things first, you want to head over to the settings at the top right corner of your ON TV box. So just navigate to the settings icon at the top over here. So come over to the settings icon, and then you just want to scroll downwards until you get to the system settings over here. Select it, and then scroll down to the about option over here. Select that as well, and then you want to continuously scroll down until you get to the Android TV OS build option over here. And what you just want to do is to go ahead and press on the OK or select button on your ON TV box remote control for 7 times once the Android TV OS build option is highlighted, and this will enable developer options for you to be able to install apps from unknown sources into your ON TV box. So just go ahead and press for 7 times. And once it gets to 7, you're going to see at the bottom that you're now a developer. As you can see, I am already a developer. Now what you want to do at this point is to go back to the app settings of your ON TV box. So come over to the app settings over here, select that, and then you just want to continuously scroll down until you find the security and restrictions settings over here. Select that, and then under unknown sources, you want to go ahead and make sure you enable the unknown sources restriction for the specific app you want to use to install other third-party apps and APK into your ON TV box. Now let's take for instance, the downloader app over here is one of the popular apps that is used for installing other third-party apps into any TV. So you want to go ahead and enable this permission for the downloader app. I'm going to be using this as an example, but you can go ahead and enable this permission for browsers or any other tool that you want to use to install apps from unknown sources on your ON TV box. If you do not have the downloader app, you can as well just go ahead and install it from the Google Play Store or App Store, and you can now continue with the whole process. So you want to come over to the home of your ON TV box, and then go ahead and open up that specific application you have enabled the unknown sources restriction for. So in my case, it is the downloader app, so I'll go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now this is basically how the home page of the downloader app looks like, and at this point you want to head over to the browser tab at the top left corner of your downloader app. So scroll over to this browser tab over here, and then come over to this image field. If you're using a browser or any other tool, just go over to the search bar of your browser, clear up everything inside of this image field over here, then go ahead and search for the app you want to install from unknown sources on your ON TV box. So let's take for instance, if I want to install the Facebook app, I'll go ahead and search for Facebook. Then just at the back of the app you want to install from unknown sources, go ahead and add APK. This will enable the search results to give you websites where you can actually find the APK version of the app you want to install from unknown sources into your ON TV box. So at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on the enter button over here, then click on go. Now you just want to continuously scroll down and look for any of the reliable websites you can actually get that app you want to install from unknown sources on your ON TV box. In my case, it is the Facebook app, so I'll go ahead and click on the official Facebook website, which is this website over here. And once the website loads, you should be able to find the download button where you can actually get the APK of the app you want from unknown sources. Go ahead and click on the download APK button over here, and automatically that specific app you want from unknown sources will start downloading itself on your ON TV box. And once it is done downloading, it will automatically start installing itself. Now at this point, since we have already enabled the unknown sources restriction, we will no longer get any restriction to install this app using downloader. So just go ahead and click on the install button at this point. And just like so, we now have an app from unknown sources on our ON TV box. You can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button, or alternatively, you should be able to come over to the home of your ON TV box and be able to find it from this list of apps over here. If you do not find it from here, you can just come over to the apps section on the settings of your ON TV box. So come over to this app section over here, click on see all apps, and from here you should be able to see all of the apps you have installed on your ON TV box, including the apps you installed from unknown sources. As you can see, this is the Facebook app I just installed from unknown sources. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.